My name is Weam. I'm 32 years old. I'm from Germany and I'm working for the financial market exchange in business development. And I'm here today just to go through my hair transplant. I started losing my hair when I was 28 years old, and I honestly tried different kind of treatments, like example minoxidil, Contogar, and different kind of oils. But unfortunately, nothing has been working so far, and so I think this was the only solution which I would have to go for it. My work is mainly related with the presentations and have a good appearance in the work, and mostly my work is dealing with clients. Secondly, I like so much traveling and taking pictures. So for me, well, when you look to the pictures and you feel something is not a bit okay within your body or face, it gives you a bit of maybe less confident. I think, yeah, that's one of the main reasons why I came here. I expect at least 90% succeeded within the dynasty, within the front line. And I hear there really are some problems from other colleagues who did the transplant, especially with the direction of the hair growth. Well, good dynasty, and yes, and I would say mostly the hair grow in the right direction. And I did a lot of research in different countries, especially it's very expensive in Germany, so I did the search in Turkey and Budapest. After checking reviews, I found HairPalace in Budapest is really a good choice. There's many clinics in Turkey and it's the first in hair transplant, but I felt it becoming more like commercial, like treating people morely like a commercial person, no any kind of care after the surgery, no caring about the details of the surgery. So for me, it was very important to someone taking care of the surgery itself, not giving me to the, at least I see the doctor and I have conversation, not just for 1 minute and it's over. I will not see the doctor again.